Hello, welcome back to a brand new video. My name is Amy if you're new here, and today I am doing a tag video. I was tagged by my friend here on YouTube, Kaitlyn Pawlowski. She created this tag called luxury items that I would steal from other YouTubers, something along the lines of that, and I thought it was a great idea. And if you guys don't already follow her, I'll leave her video down below, but she is hilarious. I love this tag because it allows me to sort of fantasize about owning or about stealing or borrowing things that I would normally not buy for myself. The first YouTuber I'm gonna steal from is the creator of the tag herself, Kaitlyn. She has an amazing summer wardrobe. I love all her Zimmermann dresses, her new Dior bra that she just bought, like the little tube top with the really signature Dior straps. I love her little Versace tube top that she also got recently. And finally, I love her Chanelle slides. Coincidentally, she also loves my Chanelle earrings, and I was telling her she's welcome to come visit and we can both wear them because I have two pairs. The second person that I would love to borrow or steal from is also one of my friends, Mel in Melbourne. Actually, all live in Australia. It's kind of funny. You guys probably already know her. Even though she does dress up a lot, she does mix a lot of high and lows, and her style is very realistic. It's something that you could definitely wear out on most days. So I would steal her Gabrielle bag in the gold color because it's just an amazing bag. It is my favorite bag, by the way, and the fact that she has the gold version, I have not seen the same gold version ever since the one that she bought. I think the latest Egyptian collection, there was a gold one with a lot of the CC stitching, but we didn't order it here in Vancouver, so that was unfortunate. I also love her collection of shoes, especially she has a really nice collection of Chanel shoes. I think she's mostly into heels, so that's amazing because I can't wear heels that often, so it would be kind of a fantasy for me to steal them. Finally, if I could borrow her beautiful wardrobe of Chanel little black jackets or Chanel blazers. I don't really know how many she has, but I did see that she recently wore one on her Instagram. I guess a very long-term goal of mine also to eventually own a Chanel jacket. The third person that I would steal from, I'm sure you guys would know her as well. Her name on YouTube is Claire Chanelle. You might also know her from her old YouTube name, I Am Chouquette. She literally has the dream wardrobe of life. Which I guess if you don't follow her, but you probably do, you would agree with me. She has amazing taste. I love that her style is very casual chic. It's very relatable. If I could steal from her wardrobe, I would steal her gray caviar medium flap. I would also steal one of her Lady Dior's, or maybe all of them. And finally, she has an amazing, I mean amazing collection of Manolo Blahnik heels. I think she is the queen of Manolo Blahnik heels. The next person that I would steal from is from a fashion blogger called In The Fro, and I'm sure some of you might also know her. She's a highly educated individual in the fashion industry, and herself, she's very slender. She's quite tall as well, at least taller than me, and she has like the perfect body. If I could steal from her wardrobe, I would literally go straight to her Balmain blazer and pants combination. She has beautiful suits. There was a pink suit, so very powerful, very girl boss, and she was also wearing this blue Balmain suit combination in one of her recent meet and greets, so it looks lovely on her. And the fact that she's taller, it actually just looks like it was made for her. It just looks amazing. And I know that, you know, suits, and especially ready to wear from designers, they're very tricky because they're made for a certain body type, and usually they are more on the slender side and more on the taller side. So if you're not exactly like that, then you usually need to tailor the pieces. Anyway, I just love her style. I love all the suits that she owns. She also has has a really beautiful collection of handbags, and one of her more recent ones is the pearl one from Chanelle. I think quite a few people got that bag, so it's not just from her wardrobe, but she also got that one. And then also she has a beautiful collection of Bulgari handbags as well. Last but not least, I would love to steal from Tamara. I think her full name is Tamara Kalinic. Of course I didn't pronounce it properly, but she is also a fashion blogger, also from the UK, and I think she's even taller, and she also has the most beautiful modeling body. She is very avant-garde. Her style is very fashion forward, and so definitely if I could just steal from her wardrobe, there would be so many pieces that I would definitely not buy for myself. But it looks amazing on her, and if I could just borrow it, it would be amazing. She has some really beautiful Balenciaga blazers, the ones that really get cinched in the waist and it flares out a lot, like it's a very dramatic shape. She wears them so well and they're so beautiful. Those blazers are to die for. The other bag that I would love to steal from her is also a Chanel bag, but it is the PVC one with the huge pearl handle. I believe it's the spring summer collection, the one that just passed. So that is a beautiful bag as well. I would never buy such a bag for myself. I probably would never really buy a PVC bag from a, you know, super designer brand, but if I could just borrow hers, it would be amazing because it looks amazing on her. And like I said, her style is definitely very avant-garde, very fashion-y, very fashion forward, so it's more for like editorial looks. I think there are so many YouTubers out there that I would love to steal from or borrow from, but I just chose, I guess, the top 5 that I would fantasize just be able to shop their wardrobe. If you're wondering about the hair clip that I'm wearing right now on the side of my head, it's new, and I was gonna reveal it in another video, maybe in like a luxury haul video, but I guess you guys might be asking me about it. It is from Shrimps. It came in this beautiful box. There's actually a couple shrimps on the sticker, and then on the inside it looks like this. It's like a really cute furry box. I saw the model that wore it on the picture, and she was doing like a side clip like this, because normally I don't really clip my hair in the front, even though I do part it like this, and I have a lot of hair on my left side. On my right there's a lot less hair, but I don't know if you've noticed, in most of my pictures, in most of my videos, I tend to sort of just scoop all my hair to the side anyway. That's why I bought it, because I thought it was gonna look really pretty, and I love having these accessories for dressing up. I actually bought 2 of them, and plus the trend of hair clips is back. If you haven't noticed, I'm kind of late to adding them back. So it looks like this. This is the back of the clip. I actually bought 2 of them. This is the black one that I bought, and this one is the pearl one with the crystals on top, and this one is the crystal on the bottom and pearl on top. And it's just a simple clip. It's pretty long, it's like 8 centimeters, so it catches a lot of hair. I'll link it down below because I'm pretty sure someone will end up asking me. So that's pretty much it for this video. It was super fun. Thank you so much, Kaitlyn, for creating this tag. I will also be tagging a few people down below. I don't know who hasn't done it yet, but for sure I'll be including all my good friends, and hopefully you guys will be able to do it. If you're brand new to my channel, thank you so much for dropping by. I would love to have you back. Please don't forget to subscribe, like, and comment down below, and I'll talk to you all again very soon. Bye!